Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. Guys, in today's video we are going to learn working capital management model paper based multiple choice question and answer, and this is part 2. Part 1 is already uploaded on my channel. गाइज एज यू नो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर इसी साल अराइज हुआ है. न्यू पैटर्न है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. सो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी प्लीज़ आप अपने सब्जेक्ट की थ्योरी पर भी फोकस कीजिए एंड एज वेल एज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पर भी फोकस कीजिए. बिकॉज इस वक्त अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं ओनली हम मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आंसर ही पढ़ेंगे, थ्योरी नहीं पढ़ेंगे, सो इट्स रॉन्ग गाइज. बिकॉज जब आपको थ्योरी आती होगी, आपको आपके सब्जेक्ट में जो डेफिनेशंस हैं, टाइप्स हैं, जितने टॉपिक्स हैं वो आपको क्लियर होंगे, तो उनके बेसिस पर आपके लिए बहुत इजी टास्क होगा मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सॉल्व करना. ओके, सो प्लीज़ इस बात पर आप फोकस कीजिएगा. एंड मैं आपको यही कहूँगी, वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट है या फिर अगर आपका अदर कोई सब्जेक्ट है, एनी सब्जेक्ट, हर सब्जेक्ट से आप अपने थ्योरी पर भी फोकस कीजिए. बिकॉज गाइज आई नो आपके पास ज़्यादा सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, 3 to 4 सब्जेक्ट आपके ईच एंड एवरी फाइनल ईयर के पास हैं, वो फिर MBA हो या BTech हो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस आप 3 to 4 सब्जेक्ट अच्छे से कवर कर सकते हैं. एटलीस्ट 5 यूनिट नहीं तो आप 3 to 4 यूनिट अच्छे से टॉपिक वाइज कवर कर लीजिए, जिससे आपका एग्ज़ाम अच्छे से हो जाए. ओके, बिकॉज AKTU गाइडलाइंस अगर आपने अच्छे से चेक की हैं तो वहाँ पर मेंशन था एग्जामिनेशन इज़ नॉट ईजी. ओके, सो इस बात पर आप फोकस कीजिए. जितना आपको कंसेप्ट, डेफिनेशन, आपकी थ्योरी क्लियर होगी आपके सब्जेक्ट की, उतना ही आप अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम दे पाएंगे. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पार्ट 2. क्वेश्चन 1 to 50 हमने कवर किया था पार्ट 1 में. नाउ इस वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. ओके, एंड दिस इज if KE is equal to R, then under Walter's model, which of the following is irrelevant? Okay, option A, earnings per share. Option B, dividend per share. Option C, DP ratio. Option D, none of the above. Okay, right answer is option C, DP ratio. So if KE is equal to R, then under Walter's model, DP ratio is irrelevant. Okay, next question. Model argues that dividend is irrelevant as option A, the value of the firm depends upon earning power. Option B, the investors buy shares for capital gain. Option C, dividend is payable after deciding the retained earnings. Option D, dividend is a smaller amount. Okay, according to this, right answer is option A, the value of the firms depends upon earning power. Okay, right answer here option A. Next question. Which of the following represents passive dividend policy? Option A, the dividend is paid as a% of EPS. Option B, that dividend is paid as a constant amount. Option C, the dividend is paid after retaining profits for reinvestment. And option D is all of the above. Right answer is option C, the dividend is paid after retaining profits for reinvestments. Okay, next question. In case of Gordon's model, the MP4 zero payout is 0. It means that option A, shares are not traded. Option B, shares available free of cost. Option C, investors are not ready to offer any price. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, investors are not ready to offer any price. Next question. Gordon's model of dividend relevance is same as option A, no growth model of equity valuation. Option B, constant growth model of equity valuation. Option C, price earning ratio. Option D, inverse of price earning ratio. Right answer is option B, constant growth model of equity valuation. Next question. If R is equal to KE, then MP by Walter's model and Gordon's models for different payout ratio would be option A, unequal. Option B, 0. Option C, equal. Option D, negative. Right answer is option C, equal. Next question. Dividend payout ratio is option A, PAT divided by capital. Option B, DPS divided by EPS. Option C, preferences dividend divided by PAT. And option D, preferences dividend divided by equity dividend. Kindly focus on options and then decide right answer. So right answer here is option B, DPS divided by EPS. Okay. Next question. Dividend declared by a company must be paid in option A 20 days, option B 30 days, option C 32 days, option D 42 days. Right answer is option B 30 days. Next question. Dividend distribution tax is payable by option A, shareholders to government, option B, shareholders to company, option C, company to government, option D, holding to subsidiary company. Right answer is option C, company to government. Okay. Next question. Shares of a face value of rupees 10 are 80% paid up. The company declares a dividend of 50%. Amount of dividend per share is option A, rupees 5, option B, rupees 4, option C, rupees 80, and option D, rupees 50. Okay, right answer is option B, rupees 4. Next question. Which of the following generally not result in increase in total dividend liability? Option A, liability. Option A, share split. Option B, right issues. Option C, bonus issues. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, share split. Okay. Next question. Dividends are paid out of option A, accumulated profits, option B, gross profit, option C, profit after tax, option D, journal reserve. Okay, right answer is option C, profit after tax. So dividends are paid out of profit after tax. Okay, next question. In India, dividend distribution tax is paid on option A, equity share, option B, preferences share, option C, debenture, option D, both A and B. Right answer is option D, both A and B. Okay, so equity share is included in it and preferential share is also. Okay, next question ले लेते हैं guys. Next question is, every company should follow option A, high dividend payment, option A, high dividend payment, option B, low dividend payment, option C, stable dividend payment, and option D, fixed dividend payment. Right answer is option C, stable dividend payment. Next question. Constant dividend per share policy is considered as option A, increasing dividend policy, option B, decreasing dividend policy, option C, stable dividend policy, and option D, none of these. Okay, right answer is option C, stable dividend policy. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a type of dividend payment? Option A, bonus issues. Option B, right issues. Option C, share split. Option D, both B and C. Right answer is option C, share split. Okay, next question. If the following is an element of dividend policy, option A, production capacity, option B, change in management, option C, informational content, option D, depth service capacity. Right answer is option C, informational content. Next question. Stock split is a form of option A, dividend payment, option B, bonus issues, option C, financial risk restructuring, option D, dividend in kind. Right answer is option C, financial restructuring. Next question. In stock dividend, option A, authorized capital always increases, option B, paid up capital always increases, option C, face value per share decreases, Option D, market price for share decreases. Right answer is option D, market price for share decreases. Next question. Which of the following is not considered in Linter's model? Option A, dividend payout ratio. Option B, current EPS. Option C, speed of adjustment. Option D, preceding year EPS. Right answer is option D, preceding year EPS. Okay, so right answer here is option D. Next question. Which of the following is not relevant for dividend payment for a year? Option A, cash flow position. Option B, profit projections. Option C, paid up capital. Option D, retained earnings. Right answer is option D, retained earnings. Right answer is option D. Next question. Cash budget does not include option A, dividend payable. Option B, postal expenditure. Option C, issues of capital. Option D, total sales figure. Right answer is option D, total sales figure. Next question. Which of the following is not a motive to hold cash? Option A, transactionary motive. Option B, pre-sanctuary motive. Option C, capital investment. And option D, none of these. Right answer is option C, capital investment. Next question. Checks deposits in bank may not be available for immediate use due to option A, payment float. Option B, received float. Option C, net float. Option D, playing the float. Right answer is option B, received float. Next question. Difference between the bank balance as per cash book and passbook may be due to option A, overdraft. Option B, float. Option C, factoring. Option D, none of these. Right answer is option B, float. Next question. 76. Concentration banking helps in option A, reducing idle bank balance. Option B, increasing collection. Option C, increasing creditors. Option D, reducing bank transactions. Right answer is option B, increasing collections. Next question. The transactions motive for holding cash is for option A, safety cushion. Option B, daily operations. Option C, purchase of assets. Option D, payments of dividends. Okay. Right answer is option B, daily operations. Next question. Miller or model deals with option A, optimum cash balance. Option B, optimum finished goods. Option C, optimum receivables. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, optimum cash balance. Next question. Float management is related to option A, cash management. Option B, inventory management. Option C, receivables management. Option D, raw materials management. Right answer is option A, cash management. Next question. Which of the following is not an objective of cash management? Option A, maximization of cash balance. Option B, minimization of cash balance. Option C, optimization of cash balance. Option D, zero cash balance. Right answer is option C, optimization of cash balance. Okay. Next question ले लेते हैं guys. Question number 81. Which of the following is not true of cash budget? Option A, cash budget indicates timing of short-term borrowing. Option B, cash budget is based on a real concept. Option C, cash budget is based on cash flow concept. Option D, repayment of principal amount of law is shown in cash budget. Right answer is option B, cash budget is based on accrual concept. Okay. Next question. Baumol's model of cash management attempts to option A, minimize the holding cost. Option B, minimization of transaction cost. Option C, minimization of total cost. Option D, minimization of cash balance. Right answer is option C, minimization of total cost. Next question. Which of the following is not considered by Miller or model? Option A, variability in cash requirement. Option B, cost of transaction. Option C, holding cost. Option D, total annual requirement of cash. Right answer is option D, total annual requirement of cash. Next question. Marketable securities are primarily option A, equity shares, option B, preference shares, option C, fixed deposits with companies, and option D, short-term debt investment. Right answer is option D, short-term debt investments. Next question. 5 C's of the credit does not include option A, collaterals, option B, character, option C, conditions, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option D, none of the above. Next question. Which of the following is not an element of credit policy? Option A, credit terms, option B, collection policy, option C, cash discount terms, option D, sales price. Okay, so right answer is option D, sales price. Next question. Aging schedule incorporates the relationship between option A, creditors and days outstanding, option B, debtors and days outstanding, option C, average age of directors, option D, average age of all employees. Right answer is option B, debtors and days outstanding. Next question. Bad debt cost is not borne by factor in case of option A, pure factoring, option B, without recourse factoring, option C, with recourse factoring, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, with recourse factoring. Next question. Which of the following is not a technique of receivables management? Option A, funds flow analysis, option B, aging schedule, option C, day sales outstanding, option D, collection metrics. Right answer is option A, funds flow analysis. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a part of credit policy? Option A, collection effort, option B, cash discount, option C, credit standard, option D, paying practices of debtors. Right answer is option D, paying practices of debtors. Okay, next question, question number 91. Which is not a service of a factor? Option A, administrating sales ledger, option B, advancing agents credit sales, option C, assuming bad debt losses, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option D, none of the above. Next question. Credit policy of a firm should involve a trade-off between increased option A, sales and increased profit, option B, profit and increased cost of receivables, option C, sales and cost of goods sold, option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, profit and increased cost of receivables. Next question. Out of the following, what is not true in respect of factoring? Option A, continuous arrangement between factor and seller. Option B, sale of receivables to the factor. Option C, factor provides cost-free finance to seller. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C, factor provides cost-free finance to seller. Next question. Payment to creditors is a manifestation of cash held for option A, transactionary motive, option B, precautionary motive, option C, speculative motive, option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, transactionary motive. Next question. If the closing balance of receivables is less than the opening balance for a month, then which one is true out of? Option A, collection is greater than current purchases. Option B, collection is greater than current sales. Option C, collections is less than current purchases, and option D, collections is less than current sales. Okay, so right answer is option B, collections is greater than current sales. Next question. If the average balance of debtors has increased, which of the following might not show a change in general? Option A, total sales. Option B, average payables. Option C, current ratio. Option D, bad debt losses. Right answer is option B, average payables. Okay. Next question. Securitization is related to conversion of option A, receivables, option B, stock, option C, investments, option D, creditors. Right answer is option A, receivables. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं गाइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 98. 80% of sales of rupees 1 crore of a firms are on credit. It has a receivable turnover of 8. What is the average collection period? 360 days, a year, and average debtors of the firms. Option A 45 days and rupees this. Option B 360 days and rupees this. Option C 45 days and rupees this. Option D 360 days and rupees this. So right answer here, option A 45 days and rupees 10 lakh. Okay. Next question. In response to market expectations, the credit bands RJ been increased from 45 days to 60 days. This would result in option A decrease in sales, option B decrease in debtors, option C increase in bad debts, option D increase in average collection period. Right answer is option D increase in average collection period. Okay, next question. If a company sells its receivables to another party to raise funds, it's known as option A securitization, option B factoring, option C pledging, option D none of the above. Right answer is option B factoring. Okay guys, so right answer here is option B. Guys, now let's wind up this lecture. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and support me. Thanks for watching.